In the bustling city like Shanghai, a mobile phone is essential for staying connected. However, if the battery runs out, we can be left in a difficult situation. That's where a shared power banks can help. In this episode of Shanghai Like a Local, we explore how to use shared power banks. Let's go! The typical phone battery station looks like this: the box with power banks inside. The principle of how it works is scan, rent, charge and return.
Use Alipay or WeChat to scan a QR code. Now you'll see options for power price, and sometimes you need to pay a deposit. It's between 50 or 200 RMB. Keep in mind you don't need to share your personal information like bank details. Payment is done and now you can borrow a power bank. Remember the brand you used, because you'll need to return the power bank to the same brand. You can search for locations of power banks through mobile applications or by using keywords like Chongdian Bao or Chongdian Zujie or Chongdian Fujin on WeChat or Alipay.
My phone is charged and now it's time to return the power bank.
The power bank needs to be returned with its front side facing outward. As for the payment, the price varies, depends on the brand. Usually 1 hour of charging costs from 1 to 10 RMB.
My phone is at 100% now. I wish you a fully charged day ahead. I'm Irina Yakupova. Take care.